Hi everyone, this is Peter from Peter Tech Channel. Today I would like to share with you how I use iMovie version 2.2.7 to make a video and make it look like my house is under the water. It is not perfect, okay, but I hope you get the idea. To make this video, you will need to use the crop tool, and I'm gonna show you how to use the crop tool or the 4.2. I'm not sure what they call it. And you will need to have two video clips. One is the background clip and the other one is the aquarium with the blue or green background behind it. Now you have all the requirements to make the video. Now let's start creating it. Start creating a new movie and add the background video. Then click on the plus sign and select the green screen or blue screen video. When you import, make sure that you click the dot and select it as the blue screen or green screen option. Now you can see the result, and you can also see that my video would be better if I remove the gravel and the big stones in front of it. To do that, first click on the green screen layer and then click on the 4-point option, and now you adjust the 4-point, which is the yellow rectangular area, to include or exclude only the area that you want or don't want. And in my video you see that sometimes I try to click the yellow dot, my finger touch the done button, so I'm sorry about that. So I adjust the 4-point or the yellow rectangular area to include only the area that cover my windows. After that, you can preview it to make sure whether or not it is as you desire. Then you can click done and save or export your video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you like, please click like, and if you think it is useful for other people, please click share, and please click subscribe if you don't want to miss my next video. And at last, I would like to thank you Mr. Pawit for his royalty free aquarium video. Thank you so much. Bye.